today's video I'm installing spark plugs and ignition coils on my E46 M3, one of the basic maintenance jobs you shouldn't skip.
I'm going to put back together the spark plugs, ignition coils as well. For that job I will need the torque wrench, 16mm socket, spark plugs and, well, the ignition coils. I was considering to change the spark plugs, but they are basically brand new. They have around 3000 kilometers, so I'm not changing them right now. I just remove it because of valve cover gasket job, valve clearance check, and basically vanus inspection. I will start with cylinder 1. Make sure that it sits correctly into the thread. I will just tight all of them by hand and then use the torque wrench. Always doing it this way. Just don't use any kind of paste on the spark plugs thread. It's not needed. Now I'm gonna use the torque wrench set to 25 Newton meters. BMW specification is 23 Newton meters plus minus 3. So now I'm gonna put the ignition coils back. Yeah, I've already put a number on each of them, just, you know, for a good feeling. It's not super important to have the same ignition coils in the same cylinder, but for me it's nice to have. I will try to film the assembly process. So just put it there slowly. The connector in. Click. And now press it fully downstairs. Just quick check if it's seating properly. And it seems yes. If it is last one. Now it's also fine. Cool, that's done. I did a lot of preventive maintenance here, like one is accumulation line here. All of these pulleys, belts, oil housing gasket, O-rings on oil cooler lines, a new steering bottle, but I want to film a whole video about maintenance, what was done.
And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.